Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Wild and Precious. And it's by Jody Bergsma. Okay, and when you look at the box, it's a square. It's in blue, and you can see that it's a square. And it also tells you here, square diamond drills, okay? And it comes in a very shiny box, very pretty. On the bottom always says scan me and unlock for 10% off. At the back it tells you what's inside the kit in English, French, and in Spanish, and then how it works step by step. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So what do we know a little bit from Jody Bergsma. I hope I'm pronouncing her last name correctly. She lives in Washington. She likes working with all kinds of medium like oil, acrylic, and watercolors. And then she blends them all and with all these elements, and then when she blends them, she likes to create she blends it with her imagination and all these other elements, and then she's able to create her own style. That's what I meant to say. Okay, and then she also has 3 paintings from Diamond Art Club. One is Everlasting Love, Together We Are Magic, and this one, Wild and Precious. Okay, so all the kits come with a toolkit and 2 stickers. This is a small sticker, okay, and this one you just have to peel it, and you can put it on your box, under the box, or in your logbook. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Let's move this over here. And the toolkit, we never know what you're gonna get, because they always give you like a different cover minder or washi tape, a different color pen. So let's see. So this one comes with a blue diamond pen. I believe the square paintings, the square drills, come with tweezers from Diamond Art Club. Very, very sharp. Come on. Okay. And it also tells you in the back what's inside the kit. All right, so we have resealable bags just in case. These are for the drills, just in case if you don't have the containers with you, you can put them in here. Okay, and then of course the pen comes with the comfort grip, and this is to put it on your pen and to help you with your fingers. Let's see if I can get it in. Sometimes I can, sometimes. Oh, there you go. You sort of have to, I guess you have to pull it here. There, see? It's supposed to give you comfort with your hands, especially if you have arthritis. Okay, and it comes with this, wow, look at this washi tape. It's very pretty. I like the color. Okay, and then it comes with a cover minder. Look how cute. It's a little teddy bear with a strawberry. And the cover minder is for when you're working on your painting. All the paintings come with this plastic on top of the adhesive. So when you pull the plastic, you put the cover minder on top of that plastic, and it holds the plastic, and you put this underneath. So they sort of snap, and it holds the plastic back while you're working on your painting. And then of course it comes with 2 placers, and this one says 4 and this one says 7. It comes also with a heart-shaped container with 2 waxes in here, and of course the tray. All right, so let's put all these yummies away. Okay, and then all the paintings from Diamond Art Club, they come in a plastic bag, okay, to protect it while it's traveling. It always says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I say do what makes you happy. All right, so let's open this baby up. All right, and all the canvases from Diamond Art Club are very smooth, and they're designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, and you pull this out, and inside you have the beautiful drills, and all the drills have a sticker, and it says Wild and Precious. So it lets you know that these drills belong to that painting. And we'll look at this later. These are just the instructions. Thank you for your purchase. What's included in the kit, tips and tricks, etc. Okay. And this is the big sticker that I was telling you about earlier. This one you could also put it in your logbook. So it's called Wild and Precious by Jody Bergsma. You put the start date, the end date, and it's absolutely beautiful, guys. All right, and it comes with pre-cut stickers, and these stickers you could put them on your containers. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna unroll it, and then I'm gonna roll it this way just to try to remove some of the wrinkles. Now, if it has wrinkles, it's okay, guys, because remember, you could just lay it down open, you know, just lay it on the table and it'll flatten by itself. All right, so this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Hopefully there's not a glare. There's always a glare. Let me put this back. That's better, I think. Okay, on the top, it always says, "Do What Makes You Sparkle" by Diamond Art Club. And all these paintings always come with two legends, okay? So one legend, I see the glare. One legend is on the left-hand side, on the upper left-hand side, and then the other legend is on the lower right-hand side. Always in the bottom, it tells you, it gives you a picture. Oops. It shows you a picture, and then it says DAC. This is called Wild and Precious. It's 20 inches by 27 inches. And it's 50.8 centimeters by 68.7 centimeters. Jody Bergsma and Diamond Art Club. So this is actually considered a medium size painting, which is perfect. This is actually this is the size that I prefer out of all of them. Okay, and then in the middle it tells you take 10 for 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here is the lifetime warranty. And basically you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, you get a lifetime warranty, and you get a free diamond spill insurance and 10% cashback rewards for every order. Okay, so let's look at this beauty, guys. Okay, what do we see? Well, it looks like there's a lake, and then you see flying around dragonflies. I see one here, I see another one here. Do I see another one? Nope. But this might be, this one's really, really big. So this might be the adult dragonfly, and maybe this is the baby dragonfly. I don't know. What else do we see? We see pink water lilies. We see lily pads. And of course, but look at this. Look at the all the colors around it. It's just absolutely stunning, guys. I love this. And if you look at the dragonflies, look at the wings. Okay, the wings are iridescent wings, and I just love all the different colors. You got blues, you got purples in here. Absolutely gorgeous, and I think this is just perfect now for spring. Okay, so let's look at the legend, and by looking at the legend, it basically tells you there's 59 colors altogether. Okay, and then in the middle it's the symbols, and the symbols is what you find in the painting, and that's where you place the drills. And by the way, guys, this is confetti heaven. I mean, there's so much confetti. Oh, mamma mia. So if you like confetti, this is the painting. All right, and then this is the DMC code. And I think it looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Okay. All right, so let's look at the drills. Begin. 154 is grape, very dark. Can you see it there? 162 is blue, ultra, very light. 301, mahogany, medium. 310, black. 315 is antique moth, medium, dark. 336 is navy blue. 340 is blue violet, medium. Okay, I think one more there. 341 is blue violet, light. And 369 is pistachio green, very light. That's very pretty. 400 is mahogany, dark. 433 is brown, medium. 434 is brown, light. And 435 is brown, very light. So all these are brown. And this was 436, and this was tan. 470 is avocado green, light. 500 is blue green, very dark. That's very pretty, actually. And then we have 501, and it's also blue-green, but this is dark. That one's very dark. This one's dark. This is very pretty. 502 is blue-green. Wow, look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. You know, I love the blues and the greens. And look at this one. 503 is also blue-green, but medium. 645 is beaver gray, very dark. 703 is chartreuse. 798 is delft blue, dark. And 799 is delft blue, medium. Sorry if I'm going a little fast, but there are a lot of colors in this one. 818 is baby pink. Oops. 829 is golden olive, very dark. 831 is golden olive, medium. 832 is also golden olive. And 834 is golden olive, very light. So all of these are in the golden olive family. 840 is beige brown, medium. 841 is beige brown, light. And 890 is pistachio green, ultra dark. And 898 is coffee brown, very dark. Okay, can you still see that? Oh yeah. All right, 934 is avocado green, black. 936, you have 2 bags of 936 is avocado green, very dark. 959 is sea green, medium. 966 is jade, ultra, very light. 987 is forest green, dark. And 995 is electric blue, dark. Okay, we're gonna have to move these, but as you can see so far, you have lots of greens, lots of browns. Okay, so let's move all these aside, because we need the space, guys. All right, 3347 is yellow green, medium. 3348 is yellow green, light. 3371 is black brown. 3607 is plum light. This is probably for the water lilies. And 3608 is also plum, but very light. 3808 is turquoise, ultra, very dark. Love that color. 3809 turquoise, very dark. 3818 is emerald green, ultra, very dark. Okay, do we have one more space here? Yeah. 3823 is yellow, ultra, pale. And 3834 is grape, dark. Almost finished, guys. 3835 is grape, medium. Okay, so these two are grapes. And 3836 is also grape, but this is light. Pretty colors. 3841 is baby blue, pale. 3853 is autumn gold, dark. 3854 is autumn gold, medium. And 3855 is also autumn gold, but light. So all of these are the autumn gold family. And the last one, 3865, is winter white. Okay, and then of course we mentioned earlier that we have 4 ABs. So here's a blue AB, which is 120 AB, which means Aurora Borealis. It just means that the jewels have an extra shine to them. 124, it looks like it's a pink. 125, a very, very light, let's say very, very light green. Very pretty. Love all these. And 126 AB, it's like a purple color or violet. All right, so let's put these aside and let's bring back the painting and figure out where these beautiful ABs go in the painting. All right, let's see. Okay, let's see. So 120, when you look at the, and of course it's a glare because I have to move this back now. Okay, is that better, guys? Okay, so 120, when you look at the legend, is symbol 1. So wherever you see symbol 1, and I'm seeing it actually everywhere. It's all over here, which is, I think, is that the, yeah, that's the water. There's like a reflection on the water, on the lake. There's some here. All this is in the water. Oh, the lake, the water in the lake, yeah. Let's see, do we have some on the dragonfly? Nope. It looks like it's all on the water, okay? Which is beautiful. All right, and then 120, which is the next one, okay? 124 is gonna be symbol 2, and that is on the water lily, guys. Love it. There's lots of 2s here. There's some 2s here. This is like also a water lily, yep, but it's still not open. Nope, not on there, not on the dragon fly. Nope. Any down here? Nope. Okay, so it looks like this is for the lake, for the water. This is for the water lily, and then 125 is number 3, and this is beautiful, guys. This is actually on the dragonfly's wings. Wow, that's gonna look gorgeous. It's everywhere on the dragonfly's wings, so that's gonna make them extra shiny, iridescent. Okay, some down here. Yep, some here also on the lily pads. All right, and then the last one is 126, and it's symbol 4, and it should be, let's see, where is 4? Probably, yep, it's probably also on the wings of the dragonfly. Any down here? Nope. All right, well, that's gonna look stunning, guys. I don't think this needs any more water lilies. I don't think it needs any more ABs. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love, love all the colors in this. And the rendering is just beautiful. It's just perfect. I think I forgot to bring it up so you can see a little bit. I'm trying to do it too, if I do it too fast, it unfocus. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the beautiful water lily. And here's one dragonfly, and then here's the big adult. This must be the adult dragonfly because look at the eyes, they're huge. Can you see that? And then look at the wings, the wingspan. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, guys, so I hope you've enjoyed it. I absolutely love this painting. And I hope you have all a wonderful rest of the night and a wonderful week. So thank you very much, and bye-bye.